Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Sonata. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, dual airbags. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.